Hi dear students, today we will study about the number system. A system this is associated with numbers is called number system. In number system, first of all, we discuss about the complex number. Because complex number is the combination of real numbers and imaginary numbers. Real numbers is denoted by R and imaginary numbers denoted by iota. For example, square root of -1, square root of -2. Again, real numbers divided into two parts. First is the rational number, which is denoted by q. Second is the irrational number. For example, square root of 2 minus square root of 3. A number which can be written as p by q form, where q not equals to 0, then it called the rational number. Irrational number, a number which cannot be written as p by q form is known as a rational number. Again, rational number divided into two parts. First is the integers, which is symbolized as I, and second is the fractional number, which is written as 2 by 3, 5 by 8. Again, integers divided in three parts. First part is the negative integer. It is denoted by z. For example, -2, -1. Second part of the integer is positive integer. For example, 1, 2. And third part of the 0 is 0. It is the third part of the integers. It is discovered by India. Its discoverer was Aryabhat. When positive integer is combined with 0, then it will become whole numbers. Whole numbers begin with 0 up to infinite. Whole numbers denoted by capital W. Positive integers are natural numbers. All counting numbers is natural numbers. It will begin with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, and so on. Natural number is divided in four parts. First is the prime numbers. Second is the composite number. Third is the even numbers, and fourth is the odd numbers. The numbers which have no other factors than 1 and itself are called prime numbers. For example, 2, 5, 6, 7. Composite number, for example, 4, 6, 15, 16. Even numbers, a number which is completely divisible by 2. A number which is completely divisible by 2 is known as even number. For example, 2, 4, 6, so on. Last and fourth, odd numbers. A number which cannot be divided by 2 is known as odd numbers. 1, 3, 5. We understood about the about all the numbers of the number system, we can say that it is classified in many parts. Complex number divided in real numbers and imaginary numbers. Real numbers divided in rational number and irrational numbers. Rational numbers divided in two parts, integers and fractional numbers. Integers divided in three parts, negative integer, positive integer, zero. And last, natural numbers divided in fourth part, prime number, composite number, even number and odd number. Whole number always will be when positive integer combined with zero, then it called whole numbers. Natural numbers are that numbers which can be counted easily and as well as begin with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number system has many categories and many classification in the numbers. Complex numbers is the combination of real and imaginary number where A and B are the real numbers. Thus we understood all the numbers of the number system. Thank you.